हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टीके स्टडी। दोस्तों, आज हम कवर करेंगे 2021 के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है आपके एग्जाम के लिए। ये एक रिवीजन सेशन है, तो हम लोग कम से कम टाइम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आप लोग ज़रूर सेशन को पूरा और ध्यान से देखिएगा, और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन को। सेशन का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू चेयरमैन एंड सीईओ ऑफ रेलवे बोर्ड? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, विनय कुमार त्रिपाठी। Next question is, who has won 2021 Booker Prize? The answer is option B, डेमन गैलगट। और डायमन गैलगट को द प्रॉमिस ये बुक के लिए 2021 का बुकर प्राइज मिला है। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेशनल यूथ डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, जनवरी 12। ठीक है, स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे नेशनल यूथ डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। Next question is, who among the following has won Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2021? The answer is option D, all of the above. नीरज चोपड़ा, रवि कुमार और PR श्रीजेश, इन तीनों को मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड 2021 मिला है। ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, देखिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज नेक्स्ट चीफ ऑफ नवाल स्टाफ? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आर हरि कुमार। Next question is, who is the winner of ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021? The answer is option C, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड को हराकर 2021 का T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेशनल गर्ल चाइल्ड डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डेट? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 24 जनवरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन इंडिया नेशनल वोटर्स डे एनुअली ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, 25 जनवरी। Next question is, World Wetland Day is observed every year on which date? The answer is option B, 2nd February. Next question is, what is the theme for World Wetland Day 2021? The answer is option B, wetland and water. Next question is, International Women's Day has been celebrated on which date? The answer is option C, 8th March. Next question is, which city has received Swachhata Sarvekshan Award for 2021 for being the cleanest city in the India? The answer is option B, Indore. Next question is, who has been crowned with Miss Universe 2021 title? The answer is option A, हरनाज संधू। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। Next question is, which state has won cleanest state in Swachhata Sarvekshan Award 2021? The answer is option A, छत्तीसगढ़। Next question is, who becomes new CEO of Twitter recently? The answer is option D, Parag Agrawal. Next question is, Ejaz Patel become third bowler to take 10 wickets in an inning. He belongs to which country? The answer is option D, New Zealand. Next question is, who has won 57th Gyanpith Award? The answer is option C, Damodar Mauzo। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। Next question is, who has become the third cricketer to hit 6 sixes in an over in an international cricket? The answer is option A, Kiran Pollard. Next question is, the government of India constitute a national committee to commemorate 75th years of Independence Day. Who is the head of the committee? The answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Next question is, who is the author of the book titled Artificial Intelligence and the Future Power? The answer is option B, Rajiv Malhotra. Next question is, ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 has been hosted by which country? The answer is option D, UAE and Oman। ठीक है, और 2021 का वर्ल्ड कप T20 वर्ल्ड कप ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जीता है। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, 1st July. Next question is, what is India's rank in Bloomberg Innovation Index 2021? The answer is option C, 50. Next question is, India's first igloo cafe has been built in which state or UT? The answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, which state ranked highest in Indian Justice Report 2021? 2020. The answer is B, Maharashtra. Next question is, which domestic tournament will not be organized by BCCI for the first time? The answer is option C, Ranji Trophy. Next question is, who has been crowned with Miss Universe 2021 title? The answer is option A, Parag Agrawal. Next question is, which state has won cleanest state in Swachhata Sarvekshan Award 2021? The answer is option D, New Zealand. Next question is, who becomes new CEO of Twitter recently? The answer is option C, Damodar Mauzo। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। Next question is, according to the budget 2021-2022, pensioner or senior citizen are exempted from filing returns whose age over, the answer is option D, 75 years. Next question is, who has become India's youngest female pilot? The answer is option A, Aisha Aziz. Next question is, ISRO is set to launch which country's observation satellite Amazonia 1? The answer is option B, Brazil. Next question is, who has been appointed as new president of Asian Cricket Council? The answer is option A, Jai Shah. Next question is, World Cancer Day is observed every year on which date? The answer is option C, February 4th. Next question is, which team has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 Trophy 2020 to 2021? The answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Next question is, who is the writer of the book The Little Book of Encouragement? The answer is option C, Dalai Lama. Next question is, who has been appointed as new CEO of Ayushman Bharat? The answer is option A, Ram Sevak Sharma. Next question is, recently combined military exercise Yudh Abhyas held between India and which country in Rajasthan? The answer is option B, USA. Next question is, World Radio Day is celebrated globally on? The answer is option D, 13th February. और इस साल की थीम थी न्यू वर्ल्ड न्यू रेडियो. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये भी. Next question is, who become the new leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha? The answer is option C, Mallikarjun Kharge. Next question is, recently which female athlete has been appointed as DSP by Assam government? The answer is option C, Hima Das. Next question is, National Women's Day is celebrated on 13th February to commemorate the birth anniversary of? The answer is option D, सरोजनी नायडू. और सरोजनी नायडू जी को नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया भी कहते हैं, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. Next question is, in which state the fossils of world earliest known living animal were found recently? The answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been honored with Scotch Chief Minister of the Year award? The answer is option B, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. और ये आंध्र प्रदेश के चीफ मिनिस्टर है, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु वन वुमेन सिंगल्स ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन टेनिस 2021? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, नाओमी ओसाका. Next question is, who is the author of the book titled By Many a Happy Accident, Recollection of Life? The answer is option D, M. Hamid Ansari. Next question is, where is the world's largest cricket stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium, has been built? The answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Next question is, India's first ever digital university has been inaugurated in which state? The answer is option C, Kerala. Next question is, World Day of Social Justice is observed every year on? The answer is option D, 20th February. और इसकी थीम भी आपके एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसकी थीम है अ कॉल फॉर सोशल जस्टिस इन द डिजिटल इकोनॉमी. What is the new name of IPL team Kings 11 Punjab? The answer is option C, Punjab Kings. Who has been appointed as new Director General of International Solar Alliance? The answer is option B, Ajay Mathur. और इसका हेडक्वार्टर गुरुग्राम में है, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, विवेक राम चौधरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस मार्क्स द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ विच इंडियन लीडर? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, महात्मा गांधी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक माई लाइफ इन फुल वर्क फैमिली एंड अवर फ्यूचर? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, इंदिरा नूई. Next question is, World Teachers Day is observed on? The answer is option B, October 5. और नेशनल टीचर्स डे 5 सितंबर को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु हैज़ वन नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर 2021? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, अब्दुल रज़ाक गुरनाह. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच इंडियन सिटी गेट्स रिकॉग्निशन एज द 2021-2020 ट्री सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, हैदराबाद. Next question is, in which country will 47th G7 Summit 2021 will be organized? The answer is option C, United Kingdom. Next question is, who is the author of the book titled Unfinished, a Memoir? The answer is option D, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Next question is, Kala Ghoda festival is being celebrated at? The answer is option B, Mumbai. Next question is, in which state UT India's first geothermal power project will be set up? The answer is option A, Ladakh. Next question is, who became the costliest player in the history of Indian Premier League IPL auction 2021? The answer is option C, Chris Morris. National Science Day is observed every year on. The answer is option D, 28th February. India has set up its first Center for Wetland Conservation in which city? The answer is option D, Chennai. Who is the author of the novel titled Whereabouts? The answer is option C, Zumpa Lahiri. Central Exercise Day is observed every year on. The answer is option D, 24th February. Madhya Pradesh state government is planned to rename Hoshangabad city as. The answer is option B, Narmadapuram. Who has been honored with Aryabhat Award for 2021 by Astronautical Society of India? The answer is option C, जी सतीश रेड्डी. जी सतीश रेड्डी DRDO के चेयरमैन भी है, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. Next question is, International Day of Girl Child is being observed on. The answer is option D, 11th October. Who has won 2021 Nobel Prize for Chemistry? The answer is option D, both A and B, that is Benjamin List and David Macmillan. Alibag white onion of which state has received GI tag? The answer is option D, Maharashtra. In which country the first ever automated driverless train in the world has been unveiled? The answer is option B, Germany. Who won Australian Open 2021 men's singles tennis title? The answer is option B, Novak Djokovic. Which state UT has launched Desh Ke Mentor program? The answer is option C, Delhi. Ajaya Warrior is an annual joint military exercise of Indian Army with which country? The answer is option A, United Kingdom. Who is the author of the book The Custodian of Trust, a Banker's Memoir? The answer is option A, Rajneesh Kumar. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy? The answer is option A, Myanmar. Recently, who became chairman of Steel Authority of India, SAIL? That is, the answer is option A, Soma Mandal. Recently, the Young Scientist Training Program for school children named Yuvika is launched by which organization? The answer is option C, ISRO. Which country's military unit participated in Indian Republic Day Parade 2021? The answer is option D, Bangladesh. In which state India has discovered the lithium reserve? The answer is option A, Karnataka. Who is the author of the book Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema? The answer is option C, Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Who is India's first COVID-19 vaccine recipient? The answer is option C, Manish Kumar. Which state has topped the India Innovation Index 2021 released by Niti Aayog? The answer is option D, Karnataka. Next question is, who becomes 46th President of United States of America? The answer is option B, जो बाइडन. और जो बाइडन डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से बिलोंग करते हैं, ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. Who took oath as 49th US Vice President? The answer is option C, Kamala Harris. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to part in Republic Day Parade? The answer is option D, Bhavna Kant. Recently, which state has got GI tag for Kanyakumari Club? The answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Which is the first city in India to use ropeway service in public transportation? The answer is option D, Varanasi. What is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index 2021? The answer is option B, 101. World Food Day is being observed on which date? The answer is option B, 16th October. Recently, which company has won bid to acquire Air India? The answer is option D, Tata Sons. Air Force Exercise Desert Night 21 is held between India and France in which city? The answer is option D, Jodhpur. Who has won bronze medal in boxing at Tokyo Olympics 2020? The answer is option C, Lavlina Borgohain. What is the rank of India in Global Cyber Security Index 2020? The answer is option C, 10. Indian Army Chief Manoj Narvane inaugurated the Indian Army Memorial in which country? The answer is option A, Italy. Which state has proposed to launch its own OTT platform? The answer is option C, Kerala. Who is the author of the book The Light of Asia? The answer is option B, Jairam Ramesh. Who has become the second Indian-born woman to fly into space after Kalpana Chawla? The answer is option B, Sirisha Bandla. The tallest sandcastle in the world has been inaugurated in which country? The answer is option C, Denmark. Indian Railway has set up India's first movable freshwater tunnel, Aquarium Aquatic Kingdom, in which city? The answer is option D, Bangalore. Who has been selected for Kovempu Rashtriya Puraskar 2020? The answer is option B, Rajendra Kishore Panda. Who is the author of the book The Stars in My Sky? The answer is option B, Divya Dutt. Next question is, which country has become 101st member country of International Solar Alliance? The answer is option C, USA. Which team won the title of IPL 2021 recently? The answer is option A, Chennai Super Kings. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook will be changing its company name. What is the new name of company? The answer is option C, Meta. Who has been reappointed as RBI governor? The answer is option C, Shaktikant Das. The farmer in which state will get monthly grant of 1000 under the Kisan Mitra Urja Yojana? The answer is option A, Rajasthan. World Day for International Justice is being observed on? The answer is option C, 17th July. United States observed which Independence Day on 4th July 2021? The answer is option D, 245th Independence Day. United States celebrated on 4th July 2021. Pinaka rocket system was successfully test fired by DRDO from which place? The answer is option B, Integrated Test Range, Odisha. Alexander Zverev, who won men's singles tennis gold at Tokyo Olympics 2020, he belongs to which country? The answer is option B, Germany. Who took charge as new Controller General of Accounts? The answer is option A, दीपक दास. और कैग जो है गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू है. ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. Indra is a naval exercise of India with which country? The answer is option B, Russia. Which country has become the first foreign country to use Bheem UPI? The answer is option B, Bhutan. Which state will host 2021 खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, हरियाणा. ठीक है, 2021 का खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम अब 2022 में खेला जाएगा. ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा और इसे हरियाणा होस्ट करेगा. ठीक है. विच कंट्री हैज़ अप्रूव्ड द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट ओरल पिल टू ट्रीट केसेस ऑफ सिम्टोमेटिक कोविड-19 केस? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, यूके. National Children's Day is being celebrated on? The answer is option A, 14th November. ठीक है. नेशनल चिल्ड्रंस डे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. इंडियन ओरिजिन अनिता आनंद हैज बिकम द न्यू डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ विच नेशन? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, कनाडा. Where was the bill that declared Diwali as national holiday introduced recently? The answer is option B, USA. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as जनजातीय गौरव दिवस? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, बिरसा मुंडा. और ये 15 नवंबर को सेलिब्रेट किया गया है. ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. Who is the author of the book titled Sunrise or Ayodhya? The answer is option D, Salman Khurshid. Who has been appointed as leader of the House in Rajya Sabha? The answer is option D, Piyush Goyal. Recently, PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated the International Cooperation and Convention Center Rudraksh in which city? The answer is option B, Varanasi. Next question is, who has been awarded the Padma Vibhushan 2021? The answer is option D, all of the above. That is Shinzo Abe, SP Balasubramaniam और मौलाना वहीदुद्दीन खान. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Next question is, who has been awarded with Padma Bhushan 2021? The answer is option D, all of the above. That is Tarun Gogoi, Sumitra Mahajan और रामविलास पासवान. इन तीनों को पद्म भूषण 2021 अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 9th जनवरी? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू आत्मनिर्भर भारत. India's target of net zero carbon emission set to which year? The answer is option D, 2070. Who has been appointed as Director General of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? The answer is option D, Arun Chawla. Next question is National Ayurveda Day is being observed on. The answer is ऑप्शन बी 2 नवंबर। और इसकी थीम भी आपके एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसकी थीम है आयुर्वेदा फॉर पोषण। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टीम विल compete in Indian Premier League 2022? The answer is option C, 10. Who was appointed as chairman of Somnath Temple Trust, Gujarat? The answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Next question is the birth anniversary of which freedom fighter is to be celebrated as Parakram Divas? The answer is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, हम इस सेशन में टॉप 200 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे 2021 के। तो अगर आपको अभी तक का सेशन पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, ठीक है। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Who has been appointed as first chairman of newly set up Indian Space Association? The answer is option B, Jayant Patil. Next question is which mobile app has been launched by Election Commission of India for digital mapping of all polling stations? The answer is option D, Garuda. और हमारे देश के चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर है सुशील चंद्रा। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। यूनाइटेड नेशंस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डे? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, 24 October. Who has been honored with 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? The answer is option A, Rajnikant. Recently G20 summit hosted by which country? The answer is option A, Italy. Who has become the oldest person in the world to go space? The answer is option A, William Shatner. Next question is who has been appointed as president of the Indian Weightlifting Federation? The answer is option A, Sahadev Yadav. Next question is who is the author of the book titled Veer Savarkar, the man who could have prevented partition? The answer is option D, both A and B, that is Chirayu Pandit and Uday Mahurkar. Which team has won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2021? The answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Next question is who is the author of the book titled Cooking to Save Your Life? The answer is option D, Abhijit Banerjee. Next question is recently which city became the world's most expensive city? The answer is option C, Tel Aviv. Who has appointed as new chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? The answer is option A, Vivek Johri. Next question is who has been named as chairman of Indian Tourism Development Corporation? The answer is option D, Sambit Patra. Next question is Indian Railway is setting up the tallest pier railway bridge of the world in which state of country? The answer is option C, Manipur. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on which day? The answer is option C, 22 December. Next question is who become the new head coach of Indian men's cricket team? The answer is option A, Rahul Dravid. Next question is Indian Air Force has participated in International Multilateral Combat Exercise Blue Flag 2021. The exercise was conducted in which country? The answer is option C, Israel. Which state CM has launched Uttam Beej portal which will benefit farmers by providing quality seed with transparency? The answer is option B, हरियाणा। और हरियाणा के सीएम मनोहर लाल खट्टर जी है। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। Who has appointed as new advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The answer is option B, Amit Khare. What is India's position in Global Health Security Index 2021? The answer is option D, 66. Who has been honored with 56th Gyanpith Award? The answer is option C, Neelmani Fukan. Who is the author of the book Bachelor's Dad? The answer is option D, Tushar Kapoor. National Farmers Day is celebrated every year on? The answer is option D, 23rd December. ठीक है। और नेशनल फार्मर्स डे चौधरी चरण सिंह जी के बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। Which team has won bronze medal at Asian Championship Hockey Trophy 2021? The answer is option A, इंडिया। और इंडिया ने ओलंपिक्स 2021 में भी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता था। ये भी चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा। Who has been appointed as new Director General of NDRF? The answer is option B, Atul Karwal. Which tennis player has won 2021 ATP Finals? The answer is option C, Alexander Zverev. Which state tops in National Logistics Index 2021? The answer is option D, Gujarat. Who has won Arjuna Award in the recently announced National Sports Awards 2021? The answer is option B, Shikhar Dhawan. Lavlina Borgohain has been honored with Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021. She is related to which sports? The answer is option C, boxing. Next question is, World Diabetes Day is being observed on November 14. What was the theme of this year? The answer is option D, access to diabetes care. Which world leader was awarded the prestigious Padma Vibhushan Award 2021? The answer is option D, Shinzo Abe. DRDO test fired long-range nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni 5. The missile falls under which category? The answer is option D, surface-to-surface missile. Recently, India's first world-class railway station inaugurated in which city? The answer is भोपाल. ठीक है, भोपाल के हबीबगंज रेलवे स्टेशन को इनॉग्रेट किया गया एज अ इंडियाज फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड क्लास रेलवे स्टेशन. ठीक है, और इसका नया नाम रखा गया है रानी कमलापति रेलवे स्टेशन. ठीक है, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Who has become India's wealthiest self-made women billionaire? The answer is option B, Falguni Nayar. Who has been named as new captain of Indian ODI and T20 side? The answer is option A, Rohit Sharma. What is the name given to India's first man-made ocean mission? The answer is option B, Samudrayan. Which UT government has launched Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? The answer is option B, Delhi. National Education Day is being observed annually on which date? The answer is option D, 11th November. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju inaugurated the country's first sports arbitration center of India in which state? The answer is option D, Gujarat. Batukama festival is celebrated in which state of India? The answer is option C, Telangana. Who is the author of the book titled Actually I Made Them a Memoir? The answer is option B, Gulzar. Which country will host Conference of Parties COP26 on climate change? The answer is option B, UK. Sindhudurg Airport has been inaugurated in which state under Udan scheme? The answer is option D, Maharashtra. Which country has been elected to UN Human Rights Council for the year 2022 to 24? The answer is option B, India. Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2021 is the joint military exercise between Indian Army and which country? The answer is option A, USA. Which Indian state has topped the Public Affairs Index 2021? The answer is option A, Kerala. Who is the author of the new book titled The Cinema of Satyajit Ray? The answer is option D, Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Constitution Day is celebrated on which date? The answer is option C, November 26. Astronaut Wang Yaping became the first woman from which country to walk in space? The answer is option B, China. Recently, which word has been chosen the word of the year 2021 by Oxford Dictionary? The answer is option D, wax. Which city has been selected in UNESCO Network of Creative City? The answer is option A, Srinagar. Which state UT has launched a road safety initiative Rakshak? The answer is option B, Odisha. Who has been appointed as Chief of CISF? The answer is option A, Sheel Vardhan Singh. Who has been awarded 2021 International Children's Peace Prize Award? The answer is option D, both A and B, that is Vihan Agrawal and Nav Agrawal. Which state has declared the Kaisar-e-Hind butterfly as its state butterfly? The answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. What is the rank of India in the Global Food Security Index 2021? The answer is option A, 71. राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस और नेशनल यूनिटी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, 31 अक्टूबर. ठीक है, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी के बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे नेशनल यूनिटी डे या फिर राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Which Indian film has been named as the official entry from India for the Oscars 2022? The answer is option C, Kuzhangal. Who is the author of the new book titled An Economist at Home and Abroad, A Personal Journey? The answer is option C, Shankar Acharya. Which state Bamboo and Cane Development Institute has developed country's first ever bamboo made cricket bat and stump. The answer is option C, Tripura. Which bank has recently launched a video life certificate service for a pensioner? The answer is option B, State Bank of India. Who is the author of the novel titled Lal Salam, a novel? The answer is option D, Smriti Irani. Good Governance Day is being celebrated on which date? The answer is option C, 25th December. Who is the author of the new book Modern India for Civil Services and Other Competitive Examination? The answer is option C, Poonam Dalal Dahiya. Recently, the Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act has been passed by which country? The answer is option D, United States. Recently, Geological Survey of India has found concentration of vanadium in which state? The answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Which player has won 2021 Wimbledon tennis men's singles title? The answer is option A, Novak Djokovic. Who is the winner of 2021 Wimbledon women's singles title in tennis? The answer is option D, Ashley Barty. Who has been appointed as chairman of World Steel Association? The answer is option D, Sajjan Jindal. तो इस सेशन का हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, रिसेंटली माउंट हैरियट इज रीनेम्ड एज माउंट मणिपुर, इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट और यूटी? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, अंडमान एंड निकोबार. तो यहाँ पर हमारे 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 200 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप आपने सेशन को ध्यान से देखा होगा. आप लोग जरूर इसको रिवाइज कर लेना, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है आपके एग्जाम के लिए. तो अगर आपको फ्रेंड्स सेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कर देना. ओके, थैंक यू.